Okay, so this is part one of fixing what our dogs did to our fruit tree before it's too late. You see it's turned over like this. And I've got some plant glue to see whether or not we can salvage this fruit tree because the dogs have been terrorizing the yard and I guess they knocked into it. So let's see if we can do something to fix it. It's not looking good. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, to follow my channel, and get to see all the different projects that I do. So let's hope that the dogs don't come and we can try to get this fixed. Not looking good, and I'm not overly hopeful. Okay, so let's see what we can do to this tree. I've got what they say is wood glue. I'm not sure if that's true. I'm hopeful that this is wood glue and that this is gonna fix this. But, doesn't look like wood glue to me. Or plant glue or whatever you call it. Let's see what we can do. See if we can bring this tree back to a place where I haven't lost this fruit tree that I bought last year. All because someone in my household wanted to get dogs. Smells really weird. Please hope for me, because this was the first time I ever bought myself any fruit trees, and I was really hoping to have this whole area be some nice fruit trees. And let me tell you, some bad things have happened. This made me really sad. Okay, we're picking it up. I'm gonna try to put it back here. So one thing that happened since I'm just gonna sit here and hold the tree for a little bit. I don't think I planned this too well. So one thing that's happened since I've gotten fruit trees is those up there, the first year before it became winter, some deer came in and attacked those 3 cherry trees, and it really took them down. I was even scared that they were dead and hopeful they would come back. And then the dogs have chewed on them some. You know, you get the dogs because dogs will keep the deer out, but then you don't expect the dogs to attack the same things you want them to protect, but they did. So now I see that all 3 of those cherries are budding, so they are alive and coming back, and I'm really hopeful that this year better things are going to happen for them. But as you can see, this tree right here, they really took down. I think they just knocked into it when they're playing because they're really heavy. They're going to be really big dogs. They're on the larger scale because they're life guardian dogs. So they really, when they knock into things, they really are starting to cause destructive things to happen to stuff in the yard, which is unfortunate. So this tree, as you see, is getting really spring blooms, and it's going to look beautiful. I don't see my little thing on here anymore that tells me what type of a fruit tree this is. And so I've kind of forgotten, believe it or not. I think this is my plum. I think this is the plum. Hard to remember. So the dog is coming. The dog's coming. And I don't want her to come near the glue. Don't go near the glue. Don't go near the glue. Go. You need to go. Thanks. Thanks for the kisses. Thanks for the sniffs. Go on. No glue. You need to go. Nope. Alright, so move the glue. And there she goes. And the other one's coming. They're into everything. Yes, you don't touch the tree. No tree in you. Go on. Go by. Okay. So I think this is the plum. I had a marker on it that had said what it was. It's either the plum or an apricot. Just kind of forgotten right now what it was. I remembered what placement I had put them in, but I forgot. Okay, so I've put the pot to prop this up. Try to keep this from moving. I want to get some more glue on it. I don't even know. Let's just hope. Let's hope. I don't want to lose this tree. Look, it's going to be really sad if I do. This tree is really important to me. Alright. So that's what we've done. So let's step back and look at it. Ooh, I got some kind of bug on me. I don't really like bugs. Okay, so here that is. Let's see. Alright, so here it is, and we're going to hope that this salvages this and that glue works, because it doesn't seem like glue to me, but it could be. What do I know? I've never used it before. Oh. I think it always kind of leaned. So this is my attempt to salvage my fruit tree. That's a fruit tree. There are other ones there. There's one here, and there's one back there. And let's see if we can make this one live and not die, because that'd be really sad. This tree cost me like $140. That's not cheap. Feels really expensive. I'm really worried about it. And then we've got broken branch right there. I might be able to put that in water and maybe get another tree from it, but I'm not sure. Alright, so I think that's going to be it for today. And I think that's all we're going to get. And we'll just have to see what happens and see if that works. And see if we don't lose the tree. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will do a part 2 to let you know what happens to the tree that the dog's damaged. And hopefully we're in a good place, and next time it can stand up on its own. Alright. See you guys.